may dala talaga akong katibo. Anyway, thank you so much sa PMPC for this award and this recognition. It really means so much to me. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng PMPC Star Awards for Television, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng MMK, maraming salamat. Sa pagkakataon at sa napakagandang episode na binigay sa akin. Kay Direk Jerry Lopez Sineneng, kay Tita Manu Santos, Ma'am Charo, ABS-CBN, Star Magic, Mr. M. Tamariol, thank you so much. At sa aking tatay at manager na si Dad, si Boss Vic, at saka kay Veronique Del Rosario of Viva Films, thank you so much for taking care of me. Congratulations again kay Boss Vic for his award earlier. And then, okay, this award is for my mom and my dad, who's watching right now. I love you both so much. My brothers, my sisters, and my nephews and my nieces. First of all, thank you so much, Janelle Jamer, Tony Ko, my sister Aisel Ampong Chicano, Ate Mick Pimentel of Viva Films, Tita Beverly Verhel, Abby Luz, Tina Yan, at sa lahat po ng mga Claudinians, sa lahat ng mga palanggas ko, at sa lahat ng Claudinatics, para po sa inyo ito. Kay Rabiel, Jamer, Ryan Hela, at Patia, thank you so much. Above all, I want to say, I want to share this award and sa aking dalawang anghel na nasa langit na, kay Rico at saka kay Rebecca. To my biggest achievements and my biggest awards in my life, my daughter Sabina, my son Santino, and my other daughter Kea. Thank you so much, and thank you so much PMPC, mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat